Welcome to this introduction to Virtual Steel. In this video I'd like to show you how quick and easy you create shop drawings, also called fab drawings, and general plans, and how the bill of materials is populated. Virtual Steel was developed especially for medium-sized companies or individuals, so in the meantime a lot of civil engineers are using it in Germany and Poland, but in Europe as well. First release was in October 2006. Now in 2019 the current version is Virtual Steel 10. And finally I would like to point out that due to the wish of our investor, who pushed our startup at the beginning, Virtual Steel is sold for a fair price to make 3D planning of steel constructions available for everyone. But I think it is rather the easy handling, not the price. So no, just take a look at yourself and let's start with this demonstration. Okay, we start with a double click on the icon. There is my default plane with snap points. And to define a beam we just need to choose a section with its dimensions and define a length by clicking 2 points, for example. So we see 4000 mm is the length, and now click insert, and there's our first beam. We can also change these endpoint values, for example just the y direction. That will go to the y direction 2500 millimeters, and that is our second one. And now I go to the shop drawings. See, those are the BOM numbers, and here it is in my general view from the top, hidden line removed, and here is the bill of materials. And just return to the shop drawings, we can change any value of these beams, left end for example, this dialog, or the right end, the same dialog just for the right ending, and we can add other parts from this list, for example stiffeners, and just leave the values here, and there they are with dimensions, as you see. In 3D they're also present, but that's not the common way to create those or to use those additional parts. The common way is to use connections like this. Here's the list of possible connections which you can choose, and I take the easiest one, head plate connection. Let's take a closer look. There it is. And if I go to the shop drawings right now, you see there are my plates, my head plate, my bolts and notches, and on the other beam there are the bolt, the drillings for this connection. Okay. Just maybe we should take a look at the bill of materials again. Now we see there are more elements. These plates are new. If I select them and return to my 3D view, you see they are selected now too. Now let's move on to a new example. I delete these 2 beams and we create a frame. At first the columns, I choose a height of this height 4250, and if I block it with this red icon I can choose it again, and now I choose a different profile and click from point to point, snap point to snap point, and here is my new profile. And now I connect it again, this time with the orange. Let's take this connection, and on the other side, okay, I turn this to 90 degrees to show you just that other connections will occur. So here you see connections for web connections at a column. Let's take, which one should we take? Oh, I'll take, okay, take this one here. Can't see it because it's hidden. There it is. Okay, and now let's copy this frame. Just have to choose all elements. Okay, copy it. Not grouping, copying. Let's say 5000 millimeters, 5 meters in this direction, and I connect now these beams, these girders, with a different profile. Let's take this one. Hoopla. Sorry, didn't click the point, and now here it is. And on the other side I create some new points at 1000 millimeters, so, and then I can use these points to connect these girders. And just to show you now, you get again different directions. I take this head plate connection on this side. On the other side I'll take this with a plate in front, and here I just at the column we take a twig. Okay, there's a warning that the bolts might collide. And on the other side I take a normal. Okay, it's not a usual construction. There's frames in different direction, different axes. Okay, let's just take a look at the shop drawings. You see with notches on the right side, left none, and here is my other beam with the additional parts from the connection. More plates which are shown on the top again. And here's the bill of materials. We selected number 10. We can make an equal parts analysis, and here we see we have 2 times the orange profile. If I select it, you see it's selected in the 3D 2. If you look for more information, here are the web addresses. You can contact me if you like. And that's for today. Thanks.